So just let me know if you can see my screen and I'm clearly audible. Can anyone confirm, please? Like if I'm audible clearly and my
It's
screen is
visible
clear.
and audible enough.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you for your confirmation, and I welcome you all for this webinar on AI, how AI can be used in our engineering day in day out job, and it can unlock the value across the product life cycle, means across the enterprises. So my name is Kapil, I am a technology manager at Software Technologies. We are the esteemed partner of PTC, and today I will be focusing on how AI has been incorporated in PTC solutions. So to start with, we'll start basically with the introduction. So I'll start with PTC introduction. So PTC is basically a 40 years old company into corely into innovations of the solutions required for industries, mainly into design, PLM, ELM, SLM, and other required solutions for our industrial use purpose. So PTC overall has like 7,000 employees, and they have like 2.25 billion ARR. That is the business that they do globally. Talking about PTC India, we have like four offices, two in Pune, one in Delhi and Bangalore. In India, PTC is working from more than 30 years with 2,300 employees and 5,000 customers across India. PTC now are incorporating everything in uh, every solutions with AI, and we called it as intelligent product lifecycle solutions or software. So I'll talk more about this. What is intelligent product lifecycle? Next thing I just wanted to give you a glimpse about SoftCell. That is my company. We are more than 35 years old company doing business across SI other solutions. We have more than 3,000 customers across India. We are more than 750 plus team members spread across six offices in India. That is Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Delhi. We have a turnover more than 1,000 crores, and 9.95, close to 10% stakes are from HDFC Bank in Softcell. So Softcell have different businesses. So we deal with SI solutions, we deal with security related solutions, but me and my team belongs to engineering services, where we mainly focus on CAD, CAM, PLM, PDM, SLM, ALM, and then simulation solutions, tolerance analysis solutions, and we have a very strategic tie with PTC, ANSYS, and Sigmetrics. Across all our six locations, we have certified application engineers to address the technical queries and support customers technically. We also have a very strong inside sales and sales team to help customers with their questions, along with our very strong PLM implementation team. So this is about SoftCell. So coming to today's topic. So why AI is there now? Why AI is required? So since our products are becoming more and more complex, so everything is becoming software driven. Like take example of our vehicles. Earlier it was everything manual. Now everything is driven by software. Then we have the supply chain, which are more dynamic. Nothing is fixed. It's based on the market need. We need to switch to different supply chains. We have the constraints about the environment, sustainability, like zero carbon initiatives and other things. There is also a geopolitical pressure, like you all know, like the geopolitical things are changing across the world. With all these challenges, we need to increase our speed to market. We have to be cost efficient and ensure whatever we produce or deliver to the market is maintaining the quality and the compliance required for that. So how this will happen is through AI. This things can happen very easily. So how AI is giving advantage to manufacturers. So there are many agencies like McKinsey or Gartner. They are study around this, and these are some that AI.
Anup, there is a voice breaking here and screen share has stopped.
Screen and share it again, or is it okay now?
Yeah, please share it again. I think it is not coming. Yeah, now share.
Just a minute.
And in between, voice is also breaking. Okay.
Yeah, I will make sure my mouth is near to the mic. Is my voice clear now and the screen properly visible?
Yeah, it's fine. Now it's fine.
Yes. So, I was talking about the different studies that are happening around AI, and the market share is increasing continuously. And the AI related to our manufacturing or engineering thing is also increasing, and it contributes like 15 to 40% of the complete AI market share. So there is a statement from Microsoft, Mr. Satya, that the lean manufacturing, you all remember like how it drastically changed the complete manufacturing way that we were doing. So AI is something equivalent to that, is what he says. Also, like all the leaders say, like AI will play a major role in the innovation moving forward, since it uses cloud computing, it uses the other logics for giving us the
Anup,
solutions.
your still content is not visible. Anup,
Is it so? I
bandwidth
am
issue.
a good network. Uh,
Muted.
just a minute. Maybe I can switch the network and then reshare.
Yeah.
Now, is it okay?
Yeah, it is okay.
Okay, I've switched the network. Okay, so I was talking about the investment, why we should invest in AI in engineering perspective. So first thing is scaling up the knowledge. So whatever knowledge is there in available on internet or in different systems. So how to uh, find those knowledge is a challenge. Second is there is lot of repetitive tasks that we do day in day out. So we need to reduce those. Also, we need to innovate. Okay, do more innovations, focus more on innovations. So for this, AI can help us to force the people or enable the people to work more smarter and faster. Okay, so that's why companies are interested in AI, investing in AI when we are doing engineering related activities. So PTC is now coming up with intelligent product lifecycle. So what is basically this? This is basically a concept that is brought in by PTC. So whatever solutions we have to define our product, to design our product, to plan our product, to produce our product, service our product, or to sustain our product, are powered by the data. Data can be our design data, our documentation, our information, are powered by the data, and it is now fueled by AI. So that is what PTC is doing. bringing up AI in each of the solutions that they deal with. These solutions are open to connect with other systems and can also take advantage of SaaS, that is the cloud platform. So this is what we are transforming our solutions towards the intelligent product lifecycle. So basically, what this does is when I start planning or I define my engineering concept. So starting from the requirement capturing, the planning, the testing, the system engineering, that starting from there, then we come to the actual product design, then do the simulation, then create the bomb, then manage the different bombs, that is engineering bomb, manufacturing bomb, service bomb. We do different configurations for our product, like one product having five variants, so that kind of configuration management we do. Then when we produce, we produce it through our suppliers in house, so supply chain come into the picture, then manufacturing process and planning, then the service and the part information is required. When we talk about service, the asset management and the maintenance things comes in the picture. Also when we talk about sustainability, the part and part management, the maintenance, the field service, all the things comes in the picture. So what PTC is having is an open standard, and the every thing is connected with each other. So when we talk about defining, it comes under our ALM portfolio, that is application lifecycle management. When we talk about design, simulation, configurations, or manufacturing, it comes under the CAD and PLM. When we talk about service and maintenance, it comes under the SLM. So everywhere we are bringing up AI. So for this webinar, I would be majorly focusing on CAD and PLM, what we are doing. So this also has the product data foundation, that is the data generated from our CAD or the documentation that we have that we used for our manufacturing purpose or requirement gathering or specification document. So all those documents are our product data, and how we design and plan the activities. So that comes under CAD and PLM. So when I talk about CAD, so how we integrate AI into that. So we can optimize our 3D models based on the constraints and the criteria that we define. We can run a task using a scripted way, that I'll just type a prompt, I'll type a script, and automatically the design will update, it will troubleshoot the design. So that kind of activities we can do in AI. When we talk about PLM, so identify the duplicate data. So duplicate data is basically cost to us, like the inventory increases and there is duplicate part number and all those complications happens. So if we use AI to identify if there is a duplicate data, so it will be easy for us to reduce the our inventory cost and the good cost. Also it will assist you to classify the parts according to your required parameters, like I want a bolt of some dimensions like M10, so it will identify this with some material or some different types or different standard. So it will help you to easily classify and identify those. Also it will identify to manage your product data or the life cycles that are there in this with the specific agents. It will assist you. So I'll just start with what PTC has bring up in the Creo AI. Okay. So basically, why we are incorporating this into Creo? So basically, Creo is more into our product design portfolio. So whatever design we do, we use Creo. So first thing is our engineering productivity. So engineers lose most of their time and the repetitive tasks, or they have some issues and they don't get a guidance on time. So there the engineering time is invested more rather than investing it on the innovation. Then design exploration, or when we talk about innovations, so in innovations you need to explore different types of variants, what will suit best in the market or what will be in my optimized design. So all those things needs to be considered when we are doing innovation. Then time to market. So early in the market will increase your market share for that product. So if you are late in the market due to the delay in the design or delay in the product delivery, it will lose your share in the market. So time to market is very important. So AI will turn this complexity, whatever challenge are there, into clarity. So how we frame it? So we have framed the AI for all our solutions, PTC solutions, into three categories. One is the advice, second is the assist, third is the automate. So when I talk about advice, so advice is basically solution, or the AI will advise you, give answers to your questions. If you ask some questions, so it will answer you, it will provide the required information, it can summarize the content. Like if I have some design, I don't know what is the design, you just ask what is the design, it will give you a answer like this is a machine design that has so many parts. So all this information will be given to you as a part of advice, then due to which it can increase your efficiency. How it will increase? Like your searching time, your data accessing time will be reduced, and you can invest that time into innovation. Then second is assist. So whenever you are doing certain tasks that is repetitive or common in nature, so that can be automated using the AI assist. Okay, so the particular task with the human in the loop. So we will give the command like this needs to be done, we will give a confirmation, yes, whatever is the suggestion from the AI is okay, then only the engineering changes will happen. Also the third thing is automate. So we can automate the workflows. It means mainly related to the life cycle, that is PLM. So the workflows can be automated using the AI agents. Okay, we will see an example also. The complex engineering workflow, that the approvals and all those things can be easily automated with the traceability and the compliance angle also. So these are the framework that we are working. So when we say Creo, that is our CAD system, so what value it can bring to the engineers? So first thing is our design concept exploration will be more faster. You will be able to generate and evaluate multiple design alternatives and showcase it to the team. It can be marketing team, it can be your management, it can be your customers to get the approval. So different concepts you can explore. And second is automate the iterations. So whenever there is a manual rework that is needs to be done, like changing the dimensions, changing the size, or such kind of iterations are there, which requires some time of the engineer. So that thing can be very easily automated. Third thing is enhanced creativity. Since AI will suggest you different ways of doing the things, so you can be, the user engineers can be more innovative and think beyond what normally they think, so that the creativity increases. Then accelerate time to market. Since this all thing will shorten your overall design and delivery time, you will be reducing your time to market. Then the decision taken by the AI will also be data driven. It is not that randomly AI will suggest something. It will study your data, it will study the parameters that is there in your design, say what is the material, what is the weight, what strength is required. So all those real time insights it will study, and then only it will suggest you. So a recent study done by McKinsey, they said like the engineers speed can be increased by 50% by incorporating AI into their jobs. Then where are we in AI in when we talk about CAD? So there is actually three level pyramid for AI models actually. So first is the LLM, a large level uh, language actually, machine language, large level machine language. So actually this is the initial level, or ML, machine learning we say, or API integration. So this is the first level where your CAD can integrate with your AI tools. Second is multimodal or multimodal models where it can incorporate the vision technology. Like I give some image and the software can. Is my screen still visible? I can see from that uh, screen, Ratna. Uh, okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Sorry. So there are three levels basically. Multi-model and then specialized model. Specialized model is like I will just give a prompt and it will search the relevant 3D data across all the available resources and it will give me a direct design. Say like I want to design a bearing with such some parameters. So I'll just give a prompt. It will directly generate the model. Those are the three levels of AI that can be developed within CAD. So where are we as of now is we are into start of the multi-model. We are have incorporated LLM, APIs and machine learning, but we are yet to incorporate the visual technology or vision technology where I can input a image and it will generate a model. But we are having a roadmap on this pyramid. PTC is having a roadmap. We'll grow our solutions according to this. So as of now, what we have done, okay? So we have incorporated AI. We called it as Creo AI, or we have developed our own Copilot. We all know like Microsoft has their Copilot. So PTC has also developed our own Copilot, which integrates within Creo environment, within Windchill environment. So first thing what we have done is augmentation. Okay. So augmentation, what it will do, it is basically assistant based on the context that we have. So whatever issues I have, say like I am facing some error in Creo while working, so it will give you the best articles that are available in PTC resources or best solutions that is available to resolve those issues. Also, it can recommend you the best practices related to the model validation, like if there is such kind of load, what needs to be done. Okay, so all those suggestions, design suggestions, this AI can give. Second thing is the automation. So AI powered automations can be done. So whatever repetitive task we have, that can be scripted, okay, and that can be automated using those prompts or scripts. Okay, then there can be also prediction, like if I change this, what will happen to my design. So that kind of prediction also Creo can give you. Then this intends to the Creo design intelligence. So geometry awareness. So basically AI will understand your geometry. Based on your geometry and your inputs, it can generate the design, it can modify the design. Moving forward, it will help you in the MBD, model-based definition, that is 3D annotations on the part itself, 3D part itself. Drawing, simulation, manufacturing is what we are planning. So first thing, this you might have seen in the past, like we have brought this a few years back, like generative design with AI. So basically what it does is rather than I manually changing anything, so it helps me based on my choices of materials and manufacturing process. It generates the model for me and give it to me. So this is basically a algorithm based thing where I define the inputs, like what is my fixed geometry, what is my rough geometry, okay, what kind of loads are there, and it software will automatically generate the shape for me, optimized shape based on my manufacturing process. It can be casting, it can be machining, okay, it can be some other processes also. Also I can compare this with different scenarios, like different materials, what is the strength that we are getting, what is the stresses that are developing with different materials. So that kind of AI is already there, available from last 3 4 years. It's there in Creo. So this we called it as generative design option. or generative design solution within Creo. So many of the companies have already started using this. This is one of the example of Jacob Engineering. So they work closely with NASA. So in the spacesuit, there was a component which was having a weight of 414 grams. So with generative design, they could reduce it to 310 gram. So the way they manufactured it was through 3D printing. So there can be different ways of how we give the manufacturing process. Similar, like different companies, like this was a assembly which got converted into single part and reduced the weight from 3.45 to 2 kg. So like this, there are many cases where customer has reduced the weight and the with maintaining the same strength or increasing the strength also using this generative design. Then second thing is result driven design with AI assistant. So whenever I have some task or errors while doing my design jobs, so how AI can help me? So I have a few examples. For the first one is the error. If I get any error while working, so like say I want to run a simulation, so you here there will be study or error, and if you click on Creo Copilot, it will give the relevant articles how to resolve this error, what is the cause of this error, and what is the resolution of this error. Okay, one way of using AI. Then if I wanted to add more windows, okay, so in one session there is a limit of 18 windows in Creo. uh, Okay, so it will give you like you close some of the windows and then work on it. So it is based on large language model. So what we have seen LLM. Then keyword search. So second use case can be keyword search. If I don't know anything about a command, say just for an example, I extrude. So I can type how to extrude. Okay, so it will give you a step-by-step detail how you should use extrude command and how Creo, what are the steps within Creo to create this extrude command. Okay, each and every step it will give, starting from the sketcher, then dimensions and all those things. Okay, so this keyword search can be done. Then third use case can be optimize your design. So when I say optimize, so whatever it can be shape optimization, it can be weight optimization, it can be volume optimization. So this is our co-pilot within Creo environment. So I can just prompt it and ask the AI to calculate the surface area of this wall. Okay, so it will give me a value. Okay, this is 977.015. Okay, so if I check here also, it's the same. Okay, so just to cross check whatever AI is saying is proper or not. Then I can also change few things or ask AI to optimize my design. Okay, so that my surface area reduces from 977 to 800. Okay, so it will give me few options what can be possible. Okay, so based on that I can take a call, like I should take this option into consideration, or I can request for more options also. So this way it will give you the options to optimize your design. Okay, so everything is working on the prompt, basically a scripting. I'm just typing it, and it will understand my model, and based on that it will give me the suggestions what needs to be done. Okay, I can also give a prompt like give me some options, okay, within a table, so that I can just check what can happen to my model with varying few of my dimensions. So two dimensions I varied, and it found like what solutions we can achieve. Okay, Excel sheet, and with less error. Like I want 800, so close to 800. What is there? So like that, solutions Creo automatically will identify and give it to your uh, design. You can download that CSV also, open it and just check. So like that, the things can happen when we talk about optimizing our design. Also, it can help you identify whether your design will have how it will look in different properties, or different if I apply different glass or something. So how my wasp will look like, or what will be the properties of that glass. We can also have the things for appearance also. This is for properties, like this property you can have. Okay, it will create the material for you. Okay, then I was talking about the appearance. So what best appearance will suit you? Okay, suit this design basically. Okay, it can suggest like this options are there where your vase can look good. Okay, so that it will suggest. Then also I can check if anything is missing in my design. Okay, so I've asked what is missing here. So it can prompt me like few of the things look like missing. Okay, so the handle is missing here. Okay, so like that, your design or the AI is intelligent enough to study your design and give the suggestions compared to the standards that are there available. Okay, so this was the optimization of your design. Next use case is troubleshooting. So whenever I have any model and I don't know much about that model, so I can start with understanding the model, like what is this model all about. So it can give a prompt like this is a machine structure, VMC, vertical milling assembly, and it has this many parts or sub-assemblies available. Okay, if it is complete, it will say it looks like a complete model, or if it's incomplete, it will say like it's an incomplete model. Then if there are any challenges, like sometimes in assembly we get a circular reference error. So I can identify where this error is, on which dimensions, due to which dimensions this error came up. Okay, it forms a loop and helps me understand like this is the first loop from component 1 to 2 to 3. This is a loop where this error has been populated, or because of this error is there, so that I can correct that error based on the graph or the study that AI is giving to me. So that kind of troubleshooting I can do very easily using this Creo AI. Next use case is I can automate the parameters. Okay, uh, 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 if you have any questions, please feel free to put it in the chat box. We will try to answer it in the end of the session. Okay. So next use case is the automation of the parameters. So when I say I am working on a design and I want to change something, okay, or I want to control something, say the round as a simple feature across all the assembly and sub assemblies. So I can ask AI to create a global parameter for round. Okay, first thing is I am identifying how many rounds are there. Okay, it will give me a complete list of round, feature ID, and the round radius value. Okay, part name, feature ID, and the radius value. So I can tell the AI like create a parameter out of it. Okay. So I'll say like create a global parameter with some name and a local parameter at each part level or subassembly also. So that kind of prompt I can give, and it can identify where it is creating a global round and where it is creating a local or the round parameter within the part, which will control all the radiuses within the part and the subassembly. Okay, like that command I can give it to AI, and in backend it will function and give the output as a parameter with the value which we have given and controlling all the dimensions of each and every part. If you see here, the parameters created on the part level, say like set round to 0.5, and or if I select any part, it will give me the relation and the parameters there. Okay, so such kind of or parameter control you can do using AI. Next use case and the last use case for Creo is the repetitive task. So whenever I do some repetitive task, so one way of automating it in Creo is using family table. So same thing in backend, AI can do it for you. So say this is a small nut kind of thing where I want a family table to be created. Okay, so it will create a family table with the instance name. So if I want certain details, if I want certain dimensions to be changed at particular interval, so all those things I can prompt here. Okay, right now it's only the names has been generated. So next thing I can just give a prompt like what level of or what I should include in this family table. Okay, so it will create those, and if you ask to create a separate file for each instance, it will create those also. So it's very easy when we just type in and the Creo works for you in backend. So like that you can interact with Creo with the prompts, and then extract the exact output that is required during your design process. So this is what we have within Creo. So I'll just let this show you like how it generates. Like it generates the table. It gives the options to open each and every instance into Creo directly. There will be an option, or it is generated in the session also. The instances of the generic part. So like that you can automate the repetitive task. So these were the use cases that you can explore. You can explore n number of use cases. This is what we have captured, but there can be n number of use cases where AI can be incorporated and help you to optimize your design, which will ultimately help you to improve your productivity, enable product innovation, and accelerate time to market with automating the things, with exploring the different variants, or doing a prediction about your design, and eventually it will increase your customer experience also. So this is what we have on Creo side. Next thing is on Windchill, that is PLM. So here we have explored like three use cases. One is AI part rationalization, AI assistant, and agentic digital thread. So when I say AI part rationalization, it uses basically a computer vision technology to search between parts and identify whether there is a similarity between the geometry of two parts. If the part is exactly duplicate, and reuse that part into our design again, or classify the parts according to the materials or the parameters. Second is the AI assistant, where we have a co-pilot chat box like in Creo, which is also based on the LLM uh, LLM model, and where you have AI chat where you can put your questions. It can also help you to summarize the content of a file if there is a document, and if you ask to summarize, it will summarize and give you. So that kind of AI assistance is there. Then third is the basically related to the automation of your workflows. So uh, there will be a AI agent which will automate your workflow. We will see an example which can contribute to your change task or your collaboration with the suppliers also. So when we talk about the first use case, AI part rationalization. So basically it's cost to company if you are carrying a duplicate part within your system. So how we do it is, if I have any part, and within Windchill, I will get a option to search a duplicate part here itself. Okay, so I can search for the duplicate part. I can compare what is the percentage of the similarity between these two parts, or four parts, five parts. Based on that, I can select two parts and do a detailed comparison. Okay, and identify if there is any difference between this part other than the name. So if it's similar, I can just put a change request and replace this existing part with the original or the earlier part. Means just replacing one part with the other, so that only one part will remain in the system. So that way you can use the AI part rationalization. Second is AI assist or advice. Okay, so basically what this does is it assists you to search the document or answer your questions that is there. So basically this AI assistant will help you to search the documentation, whatever document is there available within the system. I want to search a design document, so I'll just give a prompt like check me the document related to my brake or some other parts. So it will search the relevant document, and if you click on that, that will load into your Windchill screen. Then I also wanted to check whether some torque or something is there, a document is there, so that I can refer. Okay, that kind of thing is also there. Then for the non engineering people, for document summary, you can just I'll just pause it here, it is little bit fast. So what basically here it is doing, there's a long document available of say 10-15 pages. I just want a crux or a summary of that document. So I just right click and say summarize this document. So within one page it will summarize the complete document and give the information to you. So that kind of assistant or summary it can give, AI can give. So this is the document which whose summary we saw just now. So this is a long document, but the summary it gives you a little summary. Then I can ask a question, what tools are required to assemble this. So such kind of questions you can ask to chatbox and it will answer your questions. So these two things are already released within Windchill with the latest 13.1.3 version. Then the third, that is automation. Okay, so this is something that is coming up, where you can incorporate this with the workflow. Say like I have a change management workflow where the change request is created, then change impact is study, then manufacturing impact is study, and it goes to various stakeholders. It takes a long time for this. But when you incorporate AI into it, it incorporates Microsoft Teams into it, where
you can use Teams environment, okay, to raise a problem report, and then it will be saved to the Windchill automatically. This will be generated as a problem report so that uh, this can be converted into a change request. Okay, this change request will flow with the AI agent. The it will verify within the system what is the recommendation, like if there is a duplicate part, that's why there is a change, what is the impact, how much is the inventory available for this part. So all those study AI will do it for you, and you can verify this within this. Also you can see if ERP is integrated, what will be the cost impact on this. So all those parameters impact you can see, and you can also see like give me a code, or search me for a code for this part from certain vendor. So like that, things can be automated. Also it will help you to involve the other stakeholders, like say engineering team, to study whether this design is feasible or not. Okay, so that impact study we do whenever there is a change from design, also from manufacturing, from quality. So those kind of workflows can be automated, and through the AI agent it runs in a auto mode. Okay, so this is what PTC has bringing up in Windchill. So this is what I just wanted to share with all of you, like what PTC is doing around AI. Now I would just request you to just put your questions if you have any questions related to AI or any other things that you want to know, like what we are doing around AI. We'll be happy to answer those. Any questions? Was this session informative session for you? We are using SolidWorks, so it is compatible. Okay, so sir, when we say SolidWorks, so Creo uses Unite technology, so we can directly import SolidWorks model within Creo, and it will act as a neutral file for us since we cannot pull in the history of SolidWorks here. But based on the solid model, we can study few of the things like understanding the weight and all those things. Also, we can check if we can optimize that part. So up to some extent, we can reuse that. Is there a trial model available, trial version available? No, sir. As of now, PTC has not introduced any trial version for this. Uh, AI is not in basic. Yes, AI would be a separate feature or functionality that will have to enable separately for your company and then use it. Basically, how it will work? It will work on the consumption, how much you consume, that much it would be chargeable. Whether if you add on within the existing package, it will be add-on, sir. So we are about to release Creo 13 uh, this month in June itself, which will incorporate AI within this. So with Creo 13, AI will be a separate add-on that you can add to your existing package, sir. When it will be releasing? Yes, this month we are releasing this Creo 13. Is it possible to fully draft a 3D model with exact GD&T standard? Okay, so as of now, we are working on this use case. Like I said, we are working on this. So in the development stage, it is there where we will uh, enable the drafting based on the 3D model with the GDNT also, but it is in development. As of now, it is not there, but here we are working on this. With Next question is, with the help of AI using prompt, able to create model with some other model reference. Yes, sir. If I open that model in Creo, other model, and then give a prompt, yes, it can do. But if you say only a prompt and then it will generate, no, it is not there up to that level. Existing, if you open a model and say create a similar model, yes, it can do. Then next question is, Windchill is an add-on or it only works with PTC software? So basically, Windchill is our PLM solution. So it's a separate solution, sir, where we manage the product data in the life cycle, okay, which integrates your CAD data, Creo, and other CADs also. And it's from PTC only, but it works separately, and AI is also enabled within that. Is it compatible with E3D or piping module? So for piping and other things, we can explore the use cases. Okay, so it will be compatible with the Creo models. Okay, sir, I have already answered, like when Creo AI will be releasing. It will be releasing in Creo 13 with releasing this month in the June itself. By last week, I guess we should have that available. Which model Creo is using in backend? Yes, sir, it is LLM, a large level machine language. Will AI work on Creo 12? Sir, as of now, I could see that it will work only on Creo 13, but maybe within the future release of date code of 12, it might come. But as of now, I don't have a clarity on Creo 12 whether it will be there. uh, how much efficient we can use for cabling and harness application. Okay, so if your cabling or your piping and cabling extension basically within Creo, so it is controlled through the dimensions and the parameters, we can effectively use it. Okay, even in future, like the our harness drawing and other things can also be incorporated in here. Which LLM it uses. So PTC has their own technology, sir. It doesn't uses this open AI or cloud or Gemini. So we work closely mainly with Microsoft with their Copilot model, and we have our own technology for around this. Can you suggest other AI tool that can help engineer except AI and Creo? So, sir, basically AI is now coming up very fast. So there are other tools, but when we talk about using it in our manufacturing organization, so other tools are there created by some startups which are that much not reliable. You can just put it on internet, you will get few options, but I will not recommend to go for other tools than the standard tools that are available in market. Does this facility of AI helpful in drawing and assembly? So, sir, on drawing, yes, we are working on drawing. In future release, we will incorporate drawing also. For assembly, yes, assembly, it can identify the assembly and it can help you to check your assembly, what is the assembly, if there is any missing thing in the assembly that we can identify and work on it. That is how it can help. How can I export the BOM from Creo assembly to Excel? Include all component data, thumbnail image of each part using AI. Is there a built-in feature for this? Okay. So with AI, I can say I can export the bill of material, okay, in the list. For the thumbnail image that we are talking, I have not explored this use case, but there is a possibility that it can happen. Since it's not there with me also available, I will not be able to answer it. But the list and the export to Excel, it can happen very effectively. Only I have a doubt on thumbnail image that we will have to check. In future, is it replace? It will be replacing manpower. No, sir. We like everywhere we are saying like with human in loop. We are not replacing any human activity here. We are just easing our job or making a human more effective in their day in day out. We are not replacing any human here. How the AI feature is enabled and is it usage based token? Yes, sir. So AI feature, it's a separate tool or functionality that you will have to procure, and the usage will be on the token base for Creo. In Creo, what AI tool available? Please explain in short. So I have explained this three use cases. So those are the three use cases which is available. The use cases that I have explained. So that is what is there as of now. With AI, is it possible to eliminate missing dimensions and missing part uh, in the BOM? This can be a use case, and I think so. AI can help us in identifying the missing dimensions and missing parts. Is it cost effective, sir? As of now, we don't have a clarity on cost. It is yet to come up from the PTC side. So once it's there, we can help you with the cost and other things. Instead of giving command in relation option, can we give uh, prompt in Creo and about simplified representation? Yes, sir. Simple prompts also, like we generally do in Chat GPT and other things. That kind of prompts also you can give in Creo, and it works for us. Also, it can help you to create the simplified representations also. Yes, that can be possible. Soft cell deals only with PTC with AI or other CAD solutions. So as of now, we are only a strategic partner with PTC and working closely with PTC only for their AI technology. We don't have other tools available with us, sir. Can you share? So yes, we can share few of the materials which is shareable to you so that you can share. And once it is released, we can also share the release document that this is what is there available in Creo 30. Is there any resource or training to learn generative AI engineering model using Creo 30? Yes, sir, we have resources available in our learning portal where you can get the trainings, or there are small tutorials also available along with small videos where you can watch those and learn those. Or there is a tutorial also available for learning this. Can AI be customized according to our requirement? Okay. So, sir, AI agent in as of now, I don't have much clarity on that. But what I understood is in backend, PTC has their AI agent. Okay, so that agent itself you can procure and customize according to your requirement. Yes, there is a possibility that you can do it. But as of now, how it will happen, I don't have a clarity. But yes, there is a possibility where you can use your own AI agent and customize according to your requirement. Is there any option to try it for free before purchasing? Sir, as of now, I don't have a clarity, but what I have read is there is no trial version available for this. So, if it's there, we will come back to you. But as of now, there is no. Uh, so, can it be used for missing surface in IGS data? Yes, sir. So, up to some extent, like the neutral data, IGS data, step file, or some other neutral data, we can use this AI tool, but we'll have to try it out, okay? Because it's a new technology, so we cannot exactly tell you that it will like correct the surfaces, or it will fill the missing surfaces. But there is a possibility, yes, it can do. Is there any limit of number of handling in part assembly? No, sir, we don't have a limit of the parts that it can handle. The AI agent is online or offline also possible. Sir, as of now, what we have seen is AI is online, that is PTC cloud-based AI. Offline, we as of now we don't have an option. In future, it might incorporate few of the things, not complete offline, but as of now, everything is online. Is is this AI feature in Creo support MCP feature for enhancing knowledge as per the customer industry specific and go and get most precise work from it? Yes, sir. So what it can do is it can search the knowledge base and give you the suggestions based on the industry best practices. Yes, it can do it for you so that your work is more precise. Are there AI tools for automating drawing creation and detailing? Sir, we are working on this on the drawing use case. Shortly, it will be available in our future release. Could you suggest AI tool tutorial? So once it is released, sir, the tutorials will also be available with us. Then we can share with you. Can AI help us to provide sheet layout for cutting directly after generating sheet metal model? Okay, so sir, when we are working on the drawing use case, there is a possibility that we are working on sheet metal model, flat models also, the blank size and all those things. So it will come up with the drawing use case, or in future it will come up. Can we create our own windshield AI? Yes, sir. So sometime back only I answered this. Like there will be agents, agent or the platform available with PTC where you can procure the complete agent platform and then build your own AI on that. Can AI assist in GD&T and tolerance analysis? So we are working on this on the drawing and the MBD, that is the annotations and other things which comes for GD and tolerance. So as of now, it is not there, but we are working on it. Could you please suggest AI tool tutorial? Sir, I just answered it. Like once this is released, then we can help you with the tutorials or the online tutorials that are available. Can AI suitable for SPM design? Yes, it will be suitable for all sort of design work that we do. It can be your SPM design or some other tool design also. Does AI help identifying manufacturing issues during design? Okay, so basically this is AI agent where how we ask the question, that way it can answer us. So if we ask the question like identify me if whether I have given the draft properly in my design or not. So in that way it can give like the draft are in a positive side or there is some negative draft. So that kind of issues it can highlight. But if you say like after manufacturing what defect in casting it will bring, so that kind of I don't think so. Related to modeling, yes, we can identify, but not in that. Is there any provision of using AI in the old Creo 7 version? No, sir. It is as of now supported only in Creo 13. Uh, Maybe for Creo 12 in the some release they might incorporate, but not for Creo 7 or other versions. Is it useful for Creo cabling? Yes, sir. For cabling also you can use it. Are you using 10 plus Creo license in? we are using 10 Creo license. Can you provide training advanced level for generating 3D model and 2D drafting? So you can contact our support team on your request for training, though we will be happy to help you on that. Yeah, thank you, sir. Uh, with PTC store client data in PTC cloud for LLM. No, sir. We will not store any kind of customer data in PTC cloud. It is only the data will go to PTC cloud. It will compute it and give out the result. We will not store any kind of customer data on PTC cloud. That clarity we have, and we have also done the certifications related to that, security certifications. Yes, sir, just now I answered it, how data security will be taken care. So it's only the processing or the computing PTC will do on their cloud and will not store any kind of data. We have already done the certification from, I have to check what kind of certifications are there, but those certifications are already there. If required, we can provide those certifications to you to ensure that your data is not stored or your data is secured with PTC. Yes, so once we procure a bundle or the licensing for AI, we will have the usage also. How many tokens have been consumed and what is the remaining credit uh, used by, or by use which user. Okay, so that I think so we'll have to check, but yes, that should be possible, like which user is consuming how many tokens, so that should be possible, sir. I'll have to check and confirm, but that should be possible. Support and maintenance, in the what way can AI streamline troubleshooting, system monitoring, uh, routine maintenance task, Windchill development team? How will this capability assist our developer in enhancing system functionality or accelerating development cycle? Okay. So, sir, when we talk about the maintenance or monitoring of the system, so there are other tools available with PTC, say Performance Advisor for Windchill, which helps you to monitor the system and give you some insights that can help you for the maintenance and other tasks. When we talk about the developer team, like so there can be two things in the development, sir. One is the configuration and the workflows and other things. In the workflow, definitely Windchill AI can play a critical role, and it can easily automate the things. But when we talk about the developers or the customization team, I don't think so. This AI will help them as of now. I'll have to check, but as of now, I have not seen that use case for the developers. Any tool for should costing using AI available? Should costing using AI available? So you are asking about the costing, cost estimation. Okay. Cost. I think so, sir. We can put up a few parameters and ask AI to put those parameters, or we can put, and based on that, it can help us with the approx cost estimation. But not sure on this, because in cost there are multiple things. One is the material cost. It includes the raw material also, so you'll require the raw material size. Then the material cost, then the manufacturing cost, and the other cost also. So I'm not sure on the costing side, but up to some extent AI can help you, sir, on this. If we give proper prompt, is it create part from the scratch? Sir, we are working on this use case. Like I'll give a prompt and it will create a part from scratch for me. As of now, it's not there. We are just working on this use case, but in future it will be available. Can we attach document or drawing for a reference in AI agent? Okay. Document attachment, I have not seen at this, but it can be a possibility. I have not seen this, sir, but there can be a possibility since it's a chat agent only. There should be an option to attach a document or a reference document for this. But I have not seen it. Once it's there, I can check and confirm you this. Okay, so this were the questions that were there in the chat. Uh, any other questions that I didn't answer? Yes, I have tried to answer all the questions. Uh, any further questions from anyone before we conclude? Is there any certification course available in your end to create 3D model? So, sir, PTC has their own certifications courses which you can enroll and then get the required certifications. Yes, sir, PTC has those things. So basically, there is a learn online thing that you can add to your company thing. That is, if you want a certification for Creo Learn Online is there, which you can procure and get the certifications from PTC, in which you can also attend the courses and then get certified. What are the resources for learning same? Okay, for certifications, we have our own learning portal, PDC learning portal, where all the resources and other things are there. Also, if you enroll for some certification, so there will be relevant courses which you can enroll and attend online. Also, there is a offline guide available or a learning material available for this. Okay, I guess there is no further question. Okay, so okay, can we conclude or there are any further questions? Okay, we will conclude this now then, if there are no further questions. Thank you all participant for joining this session. Yeah, Etna, you were saying something.
No, I'm good. Yeah. So
Yeah.
we're good.
One last question, can AI resolve things when upgrading versions? Yes, sir. It will help you to identify the issues and then resolve those. Okay, so I will conclude this webinar. Uh, thank you all for joining this webinar. It was great hosting you all for this webinar. Anything from your side,
Thanks,
Shrishil,
Anup.
Tanvi? Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, Anup. Thanks, everyone. Thanks, Sanvi.
Thank you, Anup, for this insightful session. Thank you so much. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.